Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and you join me on a beautiful sunny day in the UK. I've got the roof off my observatory and I'm really enjoying the sunshine. I'm going to be doing a very quick review today on an item sent to me by SV It's their power box and USB hub, the SV241. So I'm going to go into all the details on it and show you exactly what it can do. My name's Glenn and you're watching Astrobloke. So power boxes, USB hubs, they're very useful in this hobby. As you can see on my rig behind me, I've got a Pegasus Astro version, the Powerbox Advance, because that's the one that comes with the USBs. And I actually have one for all my rigs. So I think I own 3 in total, built them up over the years, and they've been a great product, but they're not cheap. SV have been sending me some scopes and lenses to review, and it's been quite good, quite an exciting time. I've really enjoyed the experience of trying out some new gear. And when they sent me this, I thought, well, this looks interesting. I wonder if it will be any good. So I have a quick look inside the box, and you get a cigarette lighter power lead. You get a USB lead to connect it to your PC, and I use mini PCs on my mobile rigs. Got a couple of power leads, and more importantly, the box. And this is quite surprising. It's very compact and it looks like it's got loads of connectivity. So I'll go over the details of this. So like the Pegasus power box, this will deliver power and USB outputs right up with, with the OTA of your rig. So you're basically able to keep all of your cables nice and close. It basically prevents snagging and keeps everything neat and tidy. So the SV DC USB hub box. One of the most amazing features about this thing is its price. At the moment, looking online from SV website, this is just $59.99. That is a crazy price for something like this. You can also buy it from USA Amazon for the same price. And it was on the UK Amazon, but it doesn't seem to be on there at the moment. I think they've sold out of whichever ones they had here. But it was £59.99. So on the connectivity side, this has got 3 USB outs, 2 being USB 3.1 and 1 USB 2. And it's got a USB Type-C. So basically it's got four outputs. There are 2 more USBs on the end here, but these are for not data transfer. These are 5 volt 8 amp outputs, and they are for dew tapes. So the ones that I have 2 types. There's this type with the kind of RCA plug on the end. This is the normal type, and with the Pegasus Astro power boxes, which I have here, that's the output they have for them. And they do a little bit extra where they've got auto dew sensors, etc. So with the SV you would just need this type of dew tape, which comes with a USB, and they're just 5 volt 8 amp. And my one here's got like low, medium and high, so you can adjust it via that depending on how dewy it seems to be. So they've worked absolutely fine. A really great feature of this tiny box is it's got 6 12 volt 10 amp DC outputs. So that's quite a lot, and that's going to give you loads of power distribution to basically power everything you could need. At the other end of the box from the USB 5 volt outputs, you've got the power in and you've got the connectivity to your PC. And that's so that you can control everything that's connected to it. I've tested this out and had it running for about 3 nights imaging. Absolutely flawless. It's done a great job, no problems whatsoever. So as for actual sort of in the field, I can tell you now it works, and it works great. Nothing weird or anything happened at all. On the bottom we've got a 1/4 inch and a couple of other little threaded holes, so that gives you some variation for connectivity. You might be able to get a clamp or something to fit on there. Someone on Facebook has already shared a dovetail connection for the bottom here from a 3D print, and I'll share that link with you so that you can, if you wanted to do something like that, you could. I haven't got a 3D printer working at the moment, so hopefully I'll get somebody to print that for me. So what I think SVBony have done really well is become extremely competitive with this, and it's going to upset a few competitors, I should think. So if we look at, say, the Pegasus Powerbox Advance, which has the same sort of connectivity abilities, it's not only a lot smaller, but it's about £200 cheaper. So the Powerbox Advance, you're looking at about £260 if you shop around, and this is £60. So there's a massive price difference there. Pegasus Astro do a cheaper power box, but it is only a power box. It's got no USB hubs on it. They're pocket power box, but even that is 180 odd pounds. So this is really priced well, and I mean I'm definitely going to get myself a few of these. These are going to be helpful, and for the price they are, brilliant. Okay, so let's have a quick jump on the computer and go on SVBony's website and show you where we can purchase this from. So here I am on SVBony's website, which is svbony.com, and it's the SV241. And as you can see, they've put down here that it's on pre-sale from the 30th of June 2025. Now, I think they had some that were obviously ready, and they've decided to release them early, which is a great thing for anybody wanting one. But you might find that stocks are a bit low and it won't be fully available until that date. But looking down the website, you've got all of the details that I've been telling you about, all the different connectivities there. It's just talking about all the different inputs. And one of the important things with this box is it comes with what they're calling comprehensive protection. So it's got ESD protection, it's got reverse polarity protection, filter protection, and short circuit protection. So that's pretty good. I mean, you know, you're going to be connecting some expensive gear to this little power box, so you want to make sure it is going to protect your gear from anything untoward. So that looks pretty good. As I say, in the box, you've got a list there of what it comes with. And I must say, I think the package is brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Now, what I will show you is I'm going to quickly jump on Amazon, and I'm actually logged into the UK site. And at the moment, that is no longer available. It's not coming up in the searches at all. You can see there that the SVBony 241 is available, and for the same price of £59.99. And this will actually ship to the UK. So it's got a charge of $7.20 for shipping, which, well, that still makes it a real bargain, and definitely worth considering. So if you couldn't get it direct from SVBony, but you can find it on the Amazon US site, you could always buy it from there and get it sent over. Out of interest, if you were to buy this from the States, and I've just converted this to pounds, it's actually cheaper than buying it direct in the UK. So in the UK it was £59.99. If you buy it from America, even with the shipping, it's £44.69 for the item and £5.36 for the shipping, which is crazy. And it just goes to show that Amazon don't apply the exchange rate when they put the prices on the UK Amazon website. They just sort of basically match it and just put a pound sign in front. I don't know whether they're being lazy or whether they're just sort of coining in on us Brits, just trying to get some extra money out of us. I don't know why. They must think we're all rich or something. But anyway, that's definitely a route you could go. Order it from Amazon USA. It will ship to the UK. I've bought stuff from them before. I've never had a problem. As I say, you pay a little bit of extra shipping, and there's surprisingly things don't take as long as you think. Maybe a week, maybe a little bit longer, but things come through. And I've bought quite a few items before and not had a problem. So this is definitely worth considering. So like I said, I've used this in the field. I've had absolutely no problems with it at all. So I'm quite happy to recommend it. It worked absolutely fine for me. There's going to be a link in my description to this product. So by all means, click on it and order yourself some. I think they weren't due for total release until the end of this month, but I think SV Boney have got some out early. And I also do believe they're working on an upgraded version of this, like a pro version or something. Now that will be extremely good. What this misses that the Pegasus say has is it doesn't work with ASCOM compliant software, so like Nina, where you can connect to the Pegasus Astro, turn it on and off, turn the dew heaters on and off through a sequence in Nina. You can't do that with the SV Boney. This is a manual one, so you basically plug your dew heater in and turn it on, and if you want the dew heater off, you've got to go and unplug it or turn it off. But apart from that, this is a great piece of kit. I'm really pleased that you sent it to me. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing what advancements you can make on the next version of this, and I'm sure we'll all be keeping our eyes open. So I hope that's been of interest to you. If it's looking for something like this, then this could be the answer. And I say at the moment what it's being advertised at, which is like $60, you can't really go wrong. Anyway, that's enough from me. I hope you're all keeping well, and until next time, I'd like to wish you all clear skies.